Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can make a screenshot in your Steam profile private or set it to public and vice versa. So let us guide you through it. So launch the Steam application and access your profile by clicking into it here. Next, navigate to screenshots to the right and go through your library, for example, scroll through it. And what you want to do guys is find the screenshot you would like to make private or public. So once I've made a decision, click into manage screenshots here and simply select the given screenshot by clicking into by selecting it here in the top left corner, and after that select one of these options: make public, make friends only, make private, or unlisted. So that's the 4 visibility statuses you may choose for a screenshot in your profile. So if you'd like to make it go public, select make public and confirm by clicking into continue here. And that's it guys. That's how I do it. Let me unselect it. Screenshot here, click into done. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.